Okay, something really, really good happened. As you saw in my last video, we were talking about things that hover on top of the screen, like dialogs, like picker, tooltips, and so on. And now, until now, it was really hard to do the styling in the browser. And I will show you why and how Chrome fixed this. Okay, let's go. First of all, it would be great if you would leave me a thumbs up. Okay, so what do we see here? I can see in here my date picker, and I want to figure out where this date picker is. So I would go over here on top, click this button, and it's gone. Now I can choose something, but it's not exactly what I was looking for. Because how do I get this? And in the last video, I explained how you can find it, but I don't want to go there and make it visible again and all these things. I want to keep it right away. And today I downloaded the new version of Chrome, and if you go over here to this hover and click it, the first item on top, focus the page, emulate the focus, page focus. So I click that. As you can see right away, can you see that over here? It will focus our field right away because it knows, it remembers, yeah, if I'm inside the web page, this has the focus. So it remembers that. And now if I click over here, now I can click anywhere else and it will keep the focus and I can select this. And this is really awesome. I thought I had to share it because I was looking for something like this for so long, and now we got this. It's awesome. So emulate to focus the page is a great tool. Thanks a lot for your time today. And I will share with you other features in the future. Just leave me a thumbs up and I see you.